To remove the control panel, we'll start by removing the 4 screws on the outside of the control panel. Place the screws somewhere where they won't be lost. We'll lift up on the control panel. Next, we'll remove the main wire harness by pinching on both sides and pulling straight back. We'll remove the 4 hoses connected to the sides of the diverter valve using a 3/4 to hold the fitting and an 11/16 to loosen the hose. We'll push those hoses aside, and finally we'll remove the 2 blue wires connected to the switch. And that's removing the control panel.